We're gonna go pet kitties. No, it's not a teddy. In a giant bubble. 我们去看小猫，在一个大的球里。
Winnie, what are we gonna go see?
我要看小猫在大球里。
好，走吧。
妈妈，小猫可以。
So we were at Lion Mall the other day and we saw a giant bubble full of cats. So we're gonna take the girls to pet some kitties. So there's the giant bubble full of kitties.
Alright, we're in the sanitation zone. That's where the fog comes down. Whoa, that's a big cat.
手你脚下慢点。
No, it's not scary. What do you think? I know. What do you think, Winnie? You like her? Okay, now put your mask back on.
Can I buy one?
No, you can't buy one.
What kind?
Crazy.
What kind is it?
Can you give her a little cuddle?
That scare you?
Only got that one.
What'd you say to me?
I like the oil.
Oh, yeah. The Oreo one? She does look like an Oreo. You're right. You can say Oreo. Oreo. Oreo.
I'm trying to make friends with this one. This is the most wild of the bunch.
And she's out. She's like staring into my eyes.
That's the ultimate test. I was gonna say we're become friends.
Clearly you're not friends.
Oh my god, Mom! That cat.
How was it?
Good.
Winnie, did you like it?
Can you give me your best? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, such a cute kitty. I want to rescue some of those cats out of the bubble.